Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Freebie Friday, my friends. Finally getting a chance to sit down and do my savings challenge, Freebie Fridays. I have a dilemma. I wasn't able to get dollar bills, and I'm not certain that I can switch the money around, do a bill exchange for ones yet, because this is only our second Freebie Fridays, and I originally was going to do $15, and so what I did have was $15, but then I also had another $2, so technically $17 today. I think more is better. But what I've gone ahead and done is I have the 15 bucks, right? But I pulled some prop money, and you can tell it's prop money. I try to pull the ones with stickers on there so we know the difference. I mean, in person it does say copy, and you can also feel the difference. But for the sake of the camera, I wanted to make sure that you know that this is prop money, this is real cash. So then I'll try to do a bill swap, and if I can't, that's okay. We'll put the prop money in and leave the real cash in the front of my binder until we can. But I thought I'd give it a shot. I feel like it's worth trying. So we have 17 in real cash, but I want to make sure the 5s that we have here we can switch for smaller bills, and that's what we'll play with. We do have the prop money. Let's go ahead and count it. Make sure it's 15 bucks because that's what I want to actually have on hand to work with today. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So we have 15 bucks. And I'm just kind of going to mix the $2 bills in there somewhere. So that way we can have, some of these bills mixed up. All right, so I'm going to move this $15 to the back. We have the prop here, and we do have $2 in real cash, and I think we'll go ahead and start with those. All of these savings challenges are from Save with Glow. I will be sure to link her down below. I am working on 7 savings challenges, and I will actually show them to you. We're going to have to color them in to see where we're at, but let's just set these up and we'll get going. Hopefully that is all in frame. Maybe I should check because I will be highly irritated if it's not. One moment. It does look good to me. And we have 7 saving challenges, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 7. And since I only have a 6-sided dice, I want to roll 3 times, and then after that, the next bill will be for number 7. That seemed to work perfectly fine last time. Let's give it a try. Number 6, number 4, number 2, and then we'll go ahead and give number 7 a bill. 1, okay, number 4, 2, number 1, 3, 5, and then we'll give number 1 a bill, or number 7 a bill. 4, 5, 3. All right, I was nervous because it seemed like it wasn't happening. And then we'll get number 7 a bill. 3. All right, and that was our $17. It goes really quickly. I really am hoping in the near future at some point to be able to have some more cash to work with. But I am working on other savings challenges, so I want to try to make it so the longer term savings challenges are getting some love too throughout the week. Let me just see, did any of them get 5 bucks? No, none of them got $5, and this is what my concern was. So let's go ahead and count up what we got here. I think the prop money was a great idea because it's not so much pressure to get to the gas station or wait in line to ask for, especially when I don't make it to the bank, because that's usually my case. I don't always make it to the bank. All right, so we are adding $1 to our first savings challenge, which is Tiana. Let me grab set up my markers. I try to make sure I have the same colors, but you know how this goes with me, you guys. We'll see. So we're adding $1. And let's see here. All right, so we cannot change this one yet. I think we're going to have to wait a second to see what we can do because this one already has a 5. Uh-oh. Okay. I mean, like I said, I'm okay with leaving the prop money in there, but I wanted to try to adjust it if I can. All right. Next up, $2 here. Doesn't look like we'll be able to get that 5 in there. Let's see. So we're adding 2. That means we should have $3 hairs, and we do. And I'm really hoping to finish these by sometime in February, and then I can do a reallocation of the money. All right, pull money from there. So we're adding $3. 1, 2, 3, which means we should have $4. And we do. Okay, still not able to make any change here. Ay. Yikes, that's rough. Oh, maybe. We're adding $3 here. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So at least we can put a $5 bill in here. All right, so we have 3 in real cash and then 2 in prop, which I'm going to move the prop here to make sure that I don't mess this up, but we're going to put a $5 bill here, and then we'll figure out how we're going to move those $3 around. But this one's taken care of, so let me put this away. All right, we got a $5 bill in there. I'm very excited to see how well these savings challenges come along. Especially 15 bucks isn't a lot of money at once. All right, we might be able to do another. Let's see here. We're going to add $4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome sauce. All right, and we have $2 already in cash, but we're going to go ahead and take this $2 prop, put that there, $1 here, and add in $5. Okay, so this is working out, I think. We'll figure out the rest here. We still have 2 more savings challenges to see what they're doing. I will actually try to work on getting dollar bills because this is more work than I'd like to see happen. All right, and this one got an actual dollar, so we're not going to be able to make any changes there, but we should have $2, and we do. So this one's taken care of as well. All right, and then my last savings challenge is getting $3. Yes, perfect. Okay, this is awesome because that means we can put that $5 there, and then we can sort through and figure out where this cash, how we're going to get this cash in there. So 1, 2, 3, and let me put this prop money here. And we're going to add the $3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. And now this one has $5. Let's see, get this one to dry a little bit because this one has the clear envelope. Hi, honey. My kitty's saying hi to me. He's being needy. It's early morning right now, so early morning Friday. We're supposed to get hit pretty bad with some snow today and tomorrow, and yeah. I'm not, I don't know. I think it's going to be okay because I don't have plans to go outside, and it'll be fine. All right, so we have $3. We need to move here. What are you messing with? You found something. Uh-oh. $3. Oh, no. 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just get these squared away, or try to. Like I said, if I have to leave prop money in any of them, I'm okay with it, but it should work out fine because I went ahead to exchange the $5. All right, so we need $2 in this one. 1, 2. That gives us a total of 3. So these aren't big money savings challenges. They're $1 per symbol, which I decided that would be good because then I have some time to actually work on them, but also not take, well, hopefully not take all year. My plan was to try to get it taken care of and save like a month or so, maybe at the longest 2 months. So I started last week, so maybe around sometime in February. And then our last prop dollar. Okay, so this worked out this time. It really did. So we have 7. And so if I have to do this moving forward, then that's okay. I feel like it'll be okay. But I would love to be more prepared. And so I will work on that. I do need to record my Sunday video, so I need to get on top of that. Let's just put these back in some type of order. Perfect. And let me grab my binder. And once again, these are from Save with Glow. I'll be sure to link her. She has a lot of different freebies, but I thought that, oh, we need to put this one back in there. I really was excited to find these savings challenges, kind of making me feel like girl power. So for anyone who's interested in knowing, I've been going through a divorce for it's maybe just like half the year because we don't have a lot of things to try to split up. But yesterday we did our last little hoorah with the judge, and she signed and sealed and said, you guys are officially free to roam about the cabin. And so while I do feel good about my decision to handle things the way I did and make sure that my family, while my ex and I are splitting up, we're still a family. He and I we were friends before, so I think my heartbreak would have been if we could not be friends now, because, you know, you think relationships change and things like that, but at his core, he's a good person, and I think sometimes in relationships things can get ugly, and we were trying to figure out how we can move forward without being resentful, but also very supportive of each other. We need to be supportive because we have, you know, 2 young men in the balance of the choices and decisions in life we choose to lead. And so we decided, let's work on this together. And it was a little bit strange. I think I had been already prepared for it, and him not so much, but I think we'll be okay. I think by moving together through this, we'll figure it out as we go. But I think having respect and being kind to each other is what we really need for us as people to be okay, but also as parents, because we are co-parenting. And with his circumstances right now, there's not much he can really do in terms of life, but he is on track and getting himself where he needs to be. So this hopefully it won't be so hard, hi Kitty, going forward, but we'll see. I'm grateful for you guys cheering me on and sending you words of encouragement, shopping with me and on Etsy and Ko-Fi, watching my YouTube videos. I did get a YouTube paycheck. I will let you know that, but it did go directly to bills. My bills are, and I really wanted to bring it to this table and work on it and break it down and put it in some savings challenges. But bills got to be paid, and I was sick, so I've missed some work. Snow days, and we got more snow days coming up, and I'm just not financially in a good place, but it's gonna get better. I know it is. I just have to prepare myself for this, whatever I've got to do to get myself on track and stay on track. And I know it's not always going to be perfect. It's not always going to be easy, but I don't need it to be this hard, you guys. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching my Freebie Friday. Thank you to Save with Glow for these savings challenges. I do have some other savings challenges set up for after I complete these. I was trying to think if I wanted to, I have a bunch of savings challenges that I printed from our shop, and I was like, should I show ours? Maybe. I don't know. I have a lot going on right now, but I really like the idea of showcasing somebody else's work, and because it's free. It's free, and I think a lot of us need access to free, and then we need to see it in action. Some people are working on savings challenges that they're saving $100, $300 on their Freebie Fridays, and me, I'm like, let me get a couple dollars so I can reallocate these funds at some point. Wish me luck. Hopefully next week we'll have a little bit more cash. Maybe not next week, but the week after, because I have missed some work already this week, and then snow day coming. We're just gonna we're gonna figure this out. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.